program. But the other two questions, how do you know Brahman? How do you become a knower of Brahman? The next line says, Yo Veda Nihitam Guhayam Parame Vyoman. How do you know Brahman? You have to know Brahman as residing in the sacred space of the cave of the heart. Brahman as residing in the sacred space of the cave of the heart. What does that mean? That's just a poetic way of saying you have to know Brahman as I am Brahman. Sacred space of the cave of the heart is this, I. Brahman has to be realized as Aham Brahmasmi, I am Brahman. How do you do that? There is a whole process will be explained in the next few sections of the second chapter of the Taittiriya Upanishad. The whole of Panchakosha Vichara will start. The methodology of discovering Brahman by examining the 5 levels, the 5 sheets or 5 levels of the human personality. A procedure will be given to us. I will not touch upon the procedure today. I will talk about it a little more tomorrow and more in detail on the third day. Third question was, what do we get out of it? What is this highest thing that we will get? And the next line gives us an answer to this third question. So ashnute sarvan kaman saha brahmana vipaschiteti. The one who realizes Brahman. Brahman is infinite existence consciousness. And you realize Brahman, you know Brahman as I am Brahman. And then the result will be you, that person who is the knower of Brahman, you enjoy the fulfillment of all your desires at once by knowing this Brahman. So all that we could want in life, whatever we want in life, we will get the moment we realize that we are Brahman. Now, straight away, a disclaimer. This doesn't mean that my Christmas wish list, New Year's wish list, I want all these things, these gadgets and these movies and this kind of food and this kind of vacation and whatever my wish list in life. All of that I will get the moment I become enlightened. Doesn't mean that. Somebody sent me an email yesterday, I think, saying that, Swami, it's great that you are here in Mumbai. I'm sending you my wish list for this year, 2023. In that wish list, one item is meet Swami Sarvapriyanad. So you have to fulfill my desire because now this is a chance to meet you. So it's not that I will fulfill all my desires by becoming enlightened. No, what it means is that the reason for which I have these desires, the reason that if I fulfill these desires, I will become fulfilled, I will be happy. That happiness which I am seeking by trying to fulfill these desires, that happiness I will get by becoming enlightened. Let me repeat that. All the things that we want in life, we want them for some reason. Why? Because we feel if we get those things, it could be money, it could be a degree, it could be relationships, it could be likes on Facebook, whatever it is. If I get that, I'll be happy. That is the kind of the thinking behind it. That happiness we will get deeply, permanently, when we realize that we are Brahman, our real nature, that we are this limitless existence consciousness. So, all right, summing up, what do we have? We have this amazing, simple, powerful, amazing statement. Brahma vidapnoti param. The knower of Brahman attains the highest. It sort of sets the agenda for Vedanta. The knower of Brahman attains the highest. How do you know, what is Brahman? Question number 1. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. We will look at that carefully today. How do you know Brahman? You have to know Brahman as, not as I know Brahman. That won't help me. You have to know Brahman as I am Brahman. Aham Brahmasmi. And then what do we get out of it? We get fulfillment. Dukkha nivritti, ananda prakti. Transcending sorrow forever and attaining limitless, unchanging fulfillment. What we are looking for in life. So that is the promise. So since the promise is so great, a tremendous promise. We should take this seriously.